Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account that can edit the listing. This ensures your suggestion is attached to a verified profile. Once signed in, open Google Maps and search for the place by name or address. Do not waste time on settings. Make sure you are looking at the correct place card. Tap or click the listing to open details. Next, locate the Suggest and Edit option so you can make the actual change. Once the place card is open, tap Suggest and Edit or Edit. This is where you remove or change the phone number. You will see a phone field. Clear the digits or replace them with the correct number, then add a brief, factual reason in the explanation box explaining why the number should be removed. Make sure your note is clear and concise. Google reviews edits, so detail helps. After filling fields, submit the edit and wait for the review confirmation. After submission, check your contributions or edits to monitor the review status. Google may take hours or days. If the edit is approved, verify the number is removed, refresh maps, and clear cache if necessary. If it's rejected, provide clearer evidence in another attempt or suggest owner-confirmed edits. You can attach photos or official documentation. If nothing changes, escalate by contacting Google My Business support or asking the business owner to update their profile directly. That usually resolves persistent listing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.